Dear student, today we will take the sixth lecture for quantum mechanics, physics paper PH 4502. You know very well in the last two lectures we have discussed the expectation value of position x and Ehrenfest theorem. Okay, as you know that expectation value of position x is defined by integration of psi star position x psi data, right? Okay, we have studied that the expectation value means mean or average value, which is called the expectation value of position x of the particle is defined by bracket x to integral psi star into position x into wave function psi deta, where position x of the particle is sandwiched between psi star and psi. Okay. Similarly, the expectation value of momentum p is defined by integration of psi star p psi deta, where here p, which is sandwiched between psi star and psi, is the operator of momentum, and operator of momentum, you know, it is minus I h cross t, right? Okay. So in the last lecture we have solved one example of expectation value in spherical polar coordinates. Okay. So today we will take some more example on the expectation value. Okay. The first example which I do, okay, actually this is the second example because one example we have done in the last lecture. So this is the example of expectation value that particle has the wave function psi is equal to ax between x equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, and you are asked to calculate the expectation value of position x. अगर पार्टिकल का वेव फंक्शन psi is equal to ax है 0 और 1 के बीच में, okay, then what is the expectation value of position x? So calculate the expectation value of position x of the particle when particle has the wave function psi is equal to ax between x equal to 0 and 1. Calculate the expectation value of position x. Okay, now let us solve this example. As you know that expectation value of position x is defined by integration of psi star into x psi dx, right? In one dimension d tau, actually d tau का मतलब क्या है? It is a volume element dx dy dz, but in one dimension d tau can be taken as dx. Okay, so in one dimension the expectation value of position x of the particle is defined by integral psi star xi dx. So in one dimension when particle has, because here this is the wave function of the particle moving along x direction, this is the x direction. So particle is moving in one dimension along x axis, and you are given the wave function of the particle between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 0 position और x equal to 1 position के बीच में particle का wave function psi is equal to ax है. So what is the expectation value of position x of the particle between x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 if the particle has the wave function psi is equal to ax? You know the expectation value of position x is defined by integral psi star position x psi dx. Now here wave function psi is equal to x, a is real, x is real. So when you have real wave function, you can write psi star into psi is equal to psi square. So please be careful, when wave function psi of the particle ax is real, you can write psi into psi star is equal to psi square. Otherwise, you have to separate psi and psi star, where psi star is the complex conjugate of psi. And how do you take the complex conjugate? By replacing plus I by minus I. लेकिन wave function में कोई complex number I नहीं है, wave function real है, तो psi into psi star can be written as psi square into position x dx, where psi square is the probability of getting observation x. Okay, now substituting the wave function psi, substituting value of wave function psi, we get the expectation value of x is equal to integration of, now psi is equal to क्या दिया आपको ax, so wave function psi is equal to ax square into x dx, and limit of x is from 0 to 1. तो एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू x का स्क्वायर होगा a स्क्वायर, x स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स होगा x क्यूब dx, एंड लिमिट इज फ्रॉम 0 to 1. सो एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर. नाउ इंटीग्रल x क्यूब dx विल बी नथिंग बट x रेज़ टू 4/4 फ्रॉम 0 to 1, right? So if you substitute the upper limit and lower limit, your answer will be a square. Upper limit of x is 1. So 1 का fourth power कितना होगा? 1 ही होगा. 1 by 4. Lower limit of x is 0. So 0. So expectation value of x will be a square by 4. So this is your answer. Right? So we have solved this example. Particle has the wave function psi is equal to ax between the particle is moving in the one dimension along x-axis between x equals 0 and 1. So between x equals 0 and 1, the wave function of the particle psi is ax. So calculate the expectation value of position x between x is equal to 0 and x equal to 1, position of the particle. Okay, calculate the expectation value of position x of the particle between x equals 0 and 1 if the particle has the wave function psi is equal to ax. Let us solve this. The expectation value of position x of the particle is defined by integral psi star into position x psi dx. Expectation value of position x of the particle is defined by integral psi star x psi dx. Now wave function psi is real. It does not have any imaginary part. It is not complex. Therefore, for real wave function, the psi into psi star is nothing but it is called psi square. Okay, so if the wave function is real, you can write psi into psi star is equal to psi square into x dx, where psi square is the probability of getting observation x of the position of the particle. Okay, now in this equation, let us, okay, but if psi is complex, then you cannot write psi into psi star is equal to psi square. You have to write psi and psi star separately, where psi star is the complex conjugate of the wave function psi, and you know the procedure how to take the complex conjugate. You have to replace plus I by minus I. Okay. Now let us put the value of wave function psi is equal to ax. So expectation value of x integral value of wave function psi is ax square into x dx. Okay, what is ax square? A square x square into x dx. So a square is constant taken outside the integral. X square into x will be x cube dx. Integration of x cube is x4 by 4. Then limit is given between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 के बीच में expectation value निकालनी है. So a square, when you put x value 1, that is 1 by 4, lower limit of x is 0, so expectation value of x comes a square by 4. Okay, so the expectation value of position x of the particle between x equals 0 and 1 comes out to be a square by 4 when the particle has wave function psi is equal to ax. Okay, let us take the third example. To find the expectation value of x. Okay, so you are asked to calculate the expectation value of position x for the wave function. Okay, you are given two wave functions. The wave function psi1 of the particle is under root 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square is to plus x sin alpha x. Okay, so psi1 is equal to under root 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square is to plus x sin alpha x is the wave function of the particle between minus infinity to 0. So when position x of the electron is between minus infinity to 0, जब कोई particle minus infinity और 0 के बीच में उसकी position होती है, when the position of a particle is between minus infinity to 0, its wave function is psi1. So I have shown the x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the origin. This side you have x is equal to minus infinity. Okay. So in this region from minus infinity to 0 is called region 1. Region 1, okay, from minus infinite to 0, the wave function of the particle is psi1. So A region में particle का wave function है psi1, right? So from x is equal to minus infinite, from x, this is the origin x equal to 0 of the x-axis. So from x is equal to minus infinite to x equal to 0 is called region 1. And in region 1 from x is equal to minus infinite to x equal to 0 के बीच में जब particle electron होता है तब उसका wave function psi1 क्या है? Under root 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square e raised to plus x sin alpha x. Okay. Now on the right hand side, this is the origin x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. The right hand side goes up to x is equal to plus infinite. So this right hand side region is called region 2, in which the value of x is from 0 to plus infinite, right? Left hand side region, we have two regions. Left hand side region 1, where the value of x is from minus infinite to 0 is called region 1, or a region 1 में wave function is psi1. So left hand side region is from x to minus infinite to 0 is called region 1, or a minus infinite to 0 वाला region 1 में particle का wave function है psi1. Okay. Now this right hand side region in which x is positive, in the right hand side region in which x is positive is from x to 0 to x is equal to plus infinite. So in the right hand side region from x is equal to 0 to x plus infinite, the wave function of the particle is psi 2. Okay. So we have two regions. The left hand side region in which x is negative, the value of x is from minus infinite to 0, and in this region the wave function of the particle psi 1 is under root 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square e raised to plus x sin alpha x. The right hand side region in which x is positive, the value of x is from 0 to plus infinite. The wave function of the particle in this region too from 0 to plus infinite is psi 2, which is under root 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square e raised to minus x sin alpha x. You are asked to calculate the expectation value of position x for these two wave functions. So now let us solve this. Expectation value of x is defined by expectation value of x is defined by expectation value of x is defined by in region 1 wave function is psi 1, so region 1 में expectation value हम लिखेंगे psi 1 square into x dx from minus infinite to 0, plus in region 2 from 0 to infinite the wave function is psi 2, so expectation value is psi 2 square x dx from 0 to infinite. So we have two terms because we have two regions. Okay, so we have to write two terms for expectation value of position x of the particle in region 1 is defined by integral psi 1 square into x dx from minus infinite to 0, and in region 2 from 0 to plus infinite the expectation value of x is defined by integral psi 2 square x dx from 0 to infinite. So in region 1 from minus infinite to 0 the wave function of the particle is psi 1, so the expectation value of position x in region 1 from minus infinite to 0 is defined by integral psi 1 square x dx from minus infinite to 0. In the right hand side region 2 the wave function of the particle is psi 2, so in right hand side region 2 from 0 to plus infinite the expectation value of position x is defined by integral psi 2 square into x dx from 0 to plus infinite. I have directly taken instead of writing psi star into psi, I have written psi square because the wave function is real. Wave function does not contain any complex number. Wave function is real. Therefore, instead of writing psi star into psi, you can write psi 1 square here and psi 2 square here, because wave function is real. If the wave function is real, okay, then psi 1 star into psi 1 is psi 1 square, psi 2 star into psi 2 will be psi 2 square. Okay, now putting the value of psi 1 and psi 2, substituting values of psi 1 and psi 2, substituting values of psi 1 and psi 2. Okay, so expectation value of x is equal to, चलो psi 1 क्या है फंक्शन, psi 1 का इक्वेशन है अंडर रूट 2 1 प्लस अल्फा स्क्वायर अपन अल्फा स्क्वायर ई रेस टू प्लस एक्स साइन अल्फा एक्स, तो उसका स्क्वायर करना है, तो स्क्वायर ऑफ द वेव फंक्शन psi 1 विल बी ए रूट निकल जाएगा 2 1 प्लस अल्फा स्क्वायर अपॉन अल्फा स्क्वायर ई रेस टू एक्स का स्क्वायर क्या होगा ई रेस टू प्लस 2x साइन अल्फा एक्स का स्क्वायर क्या होगा साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा एक्स इंटू एक्स डी एक्स, और लिमिट होगी माइनस इनफाइनाइट टू 0. ओके, सो वेव फंक्शन psi 1 क्या है अंडर रूट 2 1 प्लस अल्फा स्क्वायर अपॉन अल्फा स्क्वायर रेज़ टू एक्स साइन अल्फा एक्स. तो व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ वेव फंक्शन psi 1? सो स्क्वायर ऑफ वेव फंक्शन psi 1 इज अंडर रूट 2 1 प्लस अल्फा स्क्वायर अपॉन अल्फा स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर होगा तो अंडर रूट निकल जाएगा 2 1 प्लस अल्फा स्क्वायर अपॉन अल्फा स्क्वायर ई रेज़ टू एक्स का स्क्वायर होगा ई रेज़ टू प्लस 2x साइन अल्फा एक्स का स्क्वायर होगा साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा एक्स इंटू दिस एक्स डी एक्स, राइट, एंड लिमिट is from minus infinite to 0 for region 1. Now for region 2 limit is from 0 to plus infinite, and in the right hand side region 2 from 0 to plus infinite the wave function of the particle is psi 2, which is under 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square e raised to minus x and alpha x. So the square of wave function psi 2 will be under root निकल जाएगा 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square, square of e raised to minus x will be e raised to minus 2x sin square alpha x dx, right? So psi 2 का स्क्वायर किया कितना हुआ 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square e raised to minus x square y raised to minus 2x sin square alpha x dx from 0 sorry from plus infinite I am sorry this limit is wrong, this limit is from 0 to infinite, 0 to plus infinite, so limit is from 0 to plus infinite. Okay, now from this you can take x is equal to, yes, 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square, 2 1 plus alpha is a common and constant, it is called normalization constant. Okay, so 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square is taken outside the both the integral. 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square is a normalization constant, can be taken outside the integral. Okay, so now I have two integrations. First integral is this x e raised to 2x sin square alpha x dx from in minus infinite to 0, from minus infinite to 0, plus, right? So 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square is constant taken outside the integral. So first integral will be x, this x into e raised to plus 2x sin square alpha x dx. Okay, and the limit is from minus infinite to 0, plus. Now 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square is taken common outside the integral. So my second integral will be integration of this, yes, x is left here, x e raised to minus 2x sin square alpha x dx, right? So 2 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square is taken outside the integral, it is constant taken outside the integral. So my second integral will be this x is the position of the particle whose expectation value we are calculating, e raised to minus 2x sin square alpha x, right? Okay, and limit of the second region is from 0 to plus infinite. Limit of the right hand side region 2 is 0 to plus infinite, 0 to plus infinite. Okay. Now 1 plus alpha square upon alpha square. Okay. Now if this is the first integral, I say I1, this is the second integral, say I2. If I calculate the value of the first integral, that comes minus 1 by 8 plus 1 minus alpha square upon 8 1 plus alpha square whole square. This is a mathematics problem. If you calculate the value of first integral I1 using integral by parts method, your value of first integral I1, which is integral x e raised to plus 2x sin square alpha x dx from minus infinite to 0, its value comes minus 1 by 8 plus 1 minus alpha square upon 8 1 plus alpha square whole square plus. Okay. Now second integral I2 is integral x e raised to minus 2x sin square alpha x dx from 0 to infinite. If you calculate this integral by parts method, the value answer of the second integral I2 will be plus 1 by 8 minus 1 minus alpha square upon 8 1 plus alpha square whole square, right? Okay, so value of the first integral I1 is minus 1 by 8 plus 1 minus alpha square upon 8 1 plus alpha square whole square. And if you calculate the value of second integral I2 is plus 1 by 8 minus 1 minus alpha square upon 8 1 plus alpha square whole square. This minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 cancelled. Plus minus alpha square 1 minus alpha square upon 8 1 plus alpha square minus 1 minus alpha square upon 8 1 plus alpha square whole square is cancelled. So expectation value of position x is 0. Okay, is 0, right? So एग्जाम्पल में पोजीशन की एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू को कितनी मिलती है 0. इट मीन्स दैट इट इज जस्ट लाइक सिंपल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर. सपोज आई टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंपल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर, right? You know the simple harmonic oscillator is oscillating about the equilibrium positions 0 minus 7. This is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, it goes up to plus 5. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जाएगा -1 -2 -3 -4, लेफ्ट साइड में जाएगा -5 तक, राइट? ओके, सो द सिंपल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर इज ऑसिलेटिंग बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स simple harmonic oscillator is oscillating between 2 points, x is equal to minus a, that is minus 5 centimeter, and x is equal to plus a, that is plus 5 centimeter, around about the equilibrium position x is equal to 0. So simple harmonic oscillator is oscillating about the equilibrium position x to 0 between 2 points, x to plus 5 on right side, x to minus 5 on left side. Okay. The expectation value of position x of harmonic oscillator is comes 0. Why? Because number of times oscillator goes on the right hand side, the same number of times it moves on the right and left hand side. So number of times a simple harmonic oscillator moves on right hand side, okay, and the same number of times it goes on the left hand side. So number of times simple harmonic oscillator moves on the right hand side, okay, the same number of times it goes on the left hand side, or you can say number of times it occupies the plus positions, the same number of times it occupies the minus positions. So if you take the average or mean of all these positions, okay, that comes 0, because number of times it moves on positive x direction, the same number of times it moves on negative x direction. So number of times it occupies the position plus 5, the same number of times it occupies the position minus 5. So average value कितनी आएगी? plus 5 minus 5 will be 0. So simple harmonic oscillator जितनी बार right side में positive side में जाता है, same number of times it negative side में जाता है. So जितनी बार वो पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज ऑक्यूपाई करता है, सेम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स इट ऑक्यूपाई द नेगेटिव वैल्यूज, सो उसकी एवरेज वैल्यू एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू आएगी 0. ओके, तो ये एग्जांपल में भी पोजीशन की एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू 0 आती है. ओके, एंड नाउ आई हैव टू डिस्कस 3 कंडीशंस ऑन द वेव फंक्शन, देयर एडमिसिबिलिटी कंडीशंस ऑन द वेव फंक्शन साइड. In quantum mechanics, all the wave functions are not acceptable. In quantum mechanics, all the wave functions are not acceptable. Certain wave functions are acceptable. So which wave functions are acceptable? उसके लिए there are 3 conditions, 3 admissibility conditions for acceptable wave function. First condition is that the wave function size should be finite. Wave function finite होना चाहिए. Okay. So in quantum mechanics, all the wave functions are not acceptable or admissible. Certain wave functions which obey the admissibility conditions, okay, they are acceptable. So which are the admissibility conditions on the wave function? Let us discuss. The first admissibility condition on the wave function is this, that wave function psi must be finite. It should not be infinite. Wave function psi should be finite. It should not be, it should not be infinite, right? So उसका explanation है. Why the wave function should be finite? Because finiteness of the wave function is needed because the probability of finding the particle in a small volume element d tau. Suppose this is a small box whose length is dx, breadth is dy, height is dz. So its volume element d tau will be dx, dy, dz. चलो उसके अंदर कोई पार्टिकल है, स्मॉल बॉक्स के अंदर, स्मॉल वॉल्यूम एलिमेंट के अंदर कोई पार्टिकल है, तो पार्टिकल को फाइंड आउट करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगा? साई स्क्वायर डी टाउ, राइट? सो साई स्क्वायर डी टाउ is the probability of finding the particle in a infinitesimal, means very very small volume element having length dx, breadth dy, height dz. So let us imagine a infinitesimal very small volume element. Length is dx, breadth is dy, height is dz. So the small volume element d tau is dx, dy, dz, right? Okay. If you calculate the probability of finding the particle in this small volume element, okay, then it is 0 if particle is not existing in this box. Particle box में नहीं है, particle is not existing in this box, then probability of finding the particle is 0. Okay.